Soon, the eyes of the world will turn to Washington, D.C., as Donald Trump is set to be inaugurated as the 47th President of the United States. The official ceremony will take place on January 20th, 2025, at the US Capitol. But what exactly does this day mean? What's the timeline, and how can you watch it? Let's break it down. Inauguration Day marks the official transfer of power in the United States. It's a historic event where a newly elected president is sworn in, and this year it's Donald Trump's turn for his second term. This event follows the results of the 2024 US presidential elections, where Trump won a resounding victory, securing nearly 270 electoral votes. It all culminates on January 20th, 2025. You might wonder why the long wait between the election day and the inauguration day. Well, historically, this gap allows for a smooth transition of power. The president elect takes the time to assemble their cabinet, finalize policies, and plan for governance. This period also accommodates the intricate electoral process where electors cast their votes after the popular vote is tallied. Inauguration Day isn't just about the swearing in ceremony. Several key events will unfold. The oath of office. This is the centerpiece of the day. Trump will take the presidential oath administered by the Chief Justice of the United States. Inaugural address. After taking the oath, Trump will deliver his address to the nation outlining his vision for the country. The departure of the outgoing president. An official farewell to the current president, marking the end of their term. The inaugural parade, a formal procession through the streets of Washington, D.C. Inaugural balls and celebrations. The evening is capped with a series of glamorous balls, including one held for VIPs and donors. The swearing-in ceremony and related events won't be funded by taxpayers. Instead, Trump's inauguration committee has raised a massive $170 million, aiming to hit the $200 million mark. While tickets for these events have sold out, the funds will support various inaugural activities and leave any extra for Trump's future presidential library. Some major names in business are showing their support for the event, with significant donations coming from corporations like Meta, Google, Boeing, and Amazon. Meta, for example, has pledged $1 million to the inauguration fund. Amazon, meanwhile, will stream the ceremony live on its Prime Video platform. Despite the massive fundraising efforts, VIP tickets for Trump's inauguration are in short supply. The demand is so high that donors who pledged million-dollar amounts have been waitlisted for access to the ceremony and other events. India is also part of this grand occasion. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar will represent India at the swearing-in ceremony. Jaishankar's visit is a part of strengthening bilateral ties with the US under Trump's administration. He's also expected to meet key members of the incoming government despite past challenges between Trump and India on issues like tariffs and immigration. If you want to witness this historic day live, don't worry, the inauguration ceremony will be streamed online with platforms like Google and Amazon providing access. You can catch every moment from the swearing in to Trump's inaugural speech. Donald Trump's inauguration marks a new chapter in US history, filled with both challenges and opportunities. As the world anticipates January 20th, 2025, keep an eye on the evolving events surrounding this key moment in American democracy.